Hi, my name is Joel Hargrave. I'm the Business Development Manager for My Pit Crew. Today we're talking about the Epic system that is built into our vans. Our vans are mobile tire service. This system allows us to be able to go anywhere we need to be able to service our customers. The compact unit allows us to be able to put a lot of equipment in a small space. It's quiet, so our workers inside the van are not disturbed by loud noises. We're not worried about hearing protection and things like that. It's not that loud, and also it isn't loud when we go into people's neighborhoods or at their offices. We also have the EV charging system. We have our 110 inverter that allows us to run computer equipment up front. And also we have a 220 inverter that allows us to run our tire equipment. The tire equipment itself, when it is running, the compressor has no problems keeping up with it. The compressor itself is able to stay with it, and the batteries themselves really don't get affected very much by energy levels. As far as energy level that these things pull, the system keeps up with it flying colors. Great system.